Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate SamCart with AnyTrack so that you can track your sales from SamCart and send them to your connected ad networks and analytics. It is very easy to do. It only takes 5 minutes and you won't be interrupting your sales. So the first thing that is needed is a property. So if you have not yet created a property, here go to the dashboard and on properties create a new property. I have already created the property that I'm gonna use. So select the property and then navigate to property settings and tracking script tab, and then copy the tracking code. Click to copy, and now go to SamCart. So I'm going to on SamCart, go to from the SamCart dashboard, go to the settings. We are not yet in the product, we're in the SamCart general settings. So click on the settings. Now click on tracking and pixels. And now in embed HTML scripting header, paste the tracking code, okay, and save your changes. If you had the meta pixel or your ad network pixels, like the Google pixel or TikTok, anything, and you're going to connect them through AnyTrack, then you should remove them, because if you don't remove them, you will be sending duplicated data. So remove them and only leave the AnyTrack tracking code. Save the changes and then get out of settings. Now back in AnyTrack, navigate to integrations and click on add new integration. You will see that AnyTrack doesn't yet have a SamCart integration, but we have something called a custom integration, which is a general purpose integration that can be easily adjusted and adapted for SamCart. So search for the custom integration, click on it, then click on install integration. Here you can put SamCart. Login URL, you can put SamCart.com. This is just a reference, but once that is ready, then click on create. Sorry, in the previous step, what I mean is you can use any name for the name of the integration, and then on the URL, well, you can put appsamcart.com. It is just a reference to know where you are logging in, but it is not relevant for the setup. Okay, so after you do that, you will arrive to this page. So here you're going to put dummy values here, which is because we're going to remove them, so you can just put this. The last one is optional, so we're going to leave it empty and click on save. And here, this is a postback URL. Copy it and have it on a notepad on your notes, because we're going to edit it. Okay, we're going to remove all the query parameters, all the things that are after the question after the question mark, but also remove the question mark. Okay, so remove the question mark and everything that comes after that. So you will be left with a link like this. Now here, open another tab and navigate to readme.anytrack.io, which is our knowledge base, and we're going to search for SamCart and choose the first option, SamCart. Okay, this is the article which has the instructions, and here scroll down until you see this code on step 8. Copy this code, copy it and go to your notes editor, paste it, and you will see that there is an URL there that we're going to replace with the URL that you created before. So you can see it starts with HTTPS and then T1 AnyTrack.io, and then it is followed by, well, we're going to replace we're going to copy that and replace what is currently on the code we just copied from the article. So we remove everything before the question mark. So you will have that URL followed by the question mark and the click ID. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, now copy this script, this edited script. Now go to SamCart, and this time we're going to open the product that we want to track. So click on the product, and then in the settings select the advanced tab, and then in the first one that is embed HTML scripts in header, scroll down to 5 pixels scripts after an order is completed. Paste the edited script there. So when this is there, you will see something like this. You will see the same thing, but here it will be your link, the link for your integration. So this code basically is saying you're going to when an order is completed, these parameters from the sale are going to be sent to your custom integration at AnyTrack. Now save your changes, and now navigate to your on the same product, click on design and share, and then go to the preview, and here I have my account on test mode. So put your account on test mode, which is here in these sliders. Put it on test, unless you don't want to interrupt your sales at the moment to do a test, then leave it at live and just wait for a sale to test the SamCart integration. But if you can test the integration, then put it on test and then go on the preview and then complete it. Here I'm going to complete it. Yes. And here seeing for the test mode you can enter 424242. This is the test card for Stripe that you can use. Then enter a date that is in the future, and then enter any security code. And then click on place order now. Now here on the AnyTrack Pixel Helper, and if you don't have it yet, I want to show you how to install it. Click on it and you will see a snippet found. Click on the snippet and then you will see this code. Click on the code and check that now the variables have been, now they contain the data from your sale. Okay, so now we're going to go back to AnyTrack, and within the SamCart integrations, then the SamCart, go to the events log, and in the events log you will see that sale, that test. You see the time, it is the test. And now if you click on the click ID, you will be taken to the conversions report, in which you will see all the events for your property. So if you click on that purchase, you will be able to see on the timeline all the customer journey, how your visitor arrived to your page. You will see here the ad, since I didn't do this from an ad, but you will see the campaign, the ad, and then how they move from the landing page to another page, or to the or if they were already directly to the product page, and then they finally completed the purchase. So you have those purchases, and now if you have connected your tracking pixels, then that purchase here, as you can see, will be sent there. But of course, for that you should have already connected your tracking pixels. How to connect to the tracking pixels can be found in the knowledge base that I mentioned before, readme.anytrack.io. Here you simply search for meta, for example. And here are the instructions. One more thing, this setup was for the case in which your product is, if your checkout is located on the SamCart server, samcart.com, right? And your page, maybe you don't have a page, and your users are arriving directly to the product page, or maybe you have a landing page and then they come to the product page to check out. So if that is the case, something else is needed, because you can see that the checkout happens at samcart.com. So on AnyTrack, go to property settings, select the property associated to the SamCart, the property that you used, and then go to cross domain settings, and cross domain settings add samcart.com, and then activate the second slider. Okay, and then save your changes. Okay, now in case that your SamCart is integrated to your domain and you don't take your visitors from your landing page to a checkout located on SamCart.com, then that step is not necessary. But most of the setups that I've seen, they take their visitors to a checkout that is located on SamCart.com, and then that setting that we just implemented is necessary. Now, I mentioned the Pixel Helper, the extension, the Chrome extension here. The Chrome extension is very useful because first it tells you that your tracking script was installed, right? Like the AnyTrack tag for your property, for the SamCart. And then it also tells you that the snippet, the code that retrieves all the parameters of your sale is working properly. Okay, so within the knowledge base, search for Pixel Helper. You can see it here, and here is the link to the Chrome web store, and then you can install that Pixel Helper and then simply add it to your browser tab, to your browser extensions, and you will be able to see this. You will also see if you have tracking pixels connected, you can see them here. For example, I have the Facebook pixel and the GA4 pixel.